Hey guys, if you want to get access to 4659 KDP interiors, as you can see that graphic KDP interior, 2050 KDP coloring pages for adults, and 3220 results just for KDP interiors coloring pages for kids. Also, if you want to get a special discount code, as you can see, coupon code successfully applied. If you want to get this coupon code, just watch the video till the end. I will show you how you can get it. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am again here. You can also visit my website. I am again here by typing it on Google. Go to google.com and type iamagainhere.com and hit the enter button. After that, simply click on first link again here to help you. When you will land to this website, you can find many articles related to your niche like making money online, lifetime deals, hosting guide, best website, freebies, reviews of different items, and these are unbiased reviews, coupon, discount deals, and more stuff on my website. So must visit my website. Also go to youtube.com and type iamagainhere.com and hit the enter button. Now friends, after that simply click on my channel icon or here and you can watch different videos in my channel like Creative Fabrica review, discount, Bluehost discount, Short Pixel discount, case studies, Udemy discount, WooCommerce discount. I am sharing different type of case studies that how I made 163 within Amazon affiliate and more stuff. And also I am sharing lifetime deal. It means you need to pay once in your life and never again. So must visit my channel for more awesome videos. Now let's come to the video. Now friends, as I already told you that I have a special coupon code for you. But before giving you a coupon code, I want to give you an overview of this website that what you are getting in this website. Friends, if we land to this website and go to graphics and if we click on coloring pages for others, then we will land to this page. Now friends, don't be panicked by looking price. As you can see, $12, $4. I have a special gift for you by which you can get access to full website and you can download unlimited. Yes friends, unlimited download with a small monthly fee and you can download anything at any time. Now let's see the stuff in this website. Like if you want to use any of this stuff for POD, print on demand, or KDP, especially today we are talking about KDP and what you are getting. Now let's click on opening in the new tab and now let's see what inside. Now friends, as you can see that 10 fun abstract pattern coloring pages with 5-star reviews. As you can see, 5-star reviews here. Now friends, if you want to download it, you need to pay $3 for single item, and if you get their subscription, you will have unlimited access to 1.5 million graphic assets, new graphics added daily. Yes friends, I have already used their subscription and this is true. They are adding new stuff every day. No download limit for any commercial project included. Now friends, as you can see, including commercial license, premium technical support, unlimited download if you want to use it. Now let's come to page 55. Now let's see what's there. Now friends, as you can see, 50 geometric pattern pages, 25 geometric pattern pages, high quality pattern set 25, and loads of more stuff you are getting in this website. And if you want to download anything or any single item, you need to pay its fixed price. But I have a special code for you by which you can get full access to website with a small monthly fee and you can download anything at any time. And if you want to use it for KDP, friends, you can use it. There is no problem. But you must need to read their terms and condition. Now, let's come to graphic coloring pages for kids. And there are 3220 results available right now when you are watching this video. Maybe after some time, as they already told us, they are uploading new design daily. So this will be increases. And let's suppose I am opening this one in the new tab and now let's see what's inside. Now friends, as you can see that similarly what you are getting in this design, whenever you want to download or buy anything, simply go down and read here. KDB coloring page is perfect for your KDP business, ready for printing. One PDF file, interior 27, SVG file 27, PNG file 27, JPG file. Trim size also mentioned, different interior 54 pages, high resolution interior. Now friends, as you can see anything, and if you want to download any book or any interior for your KDB business, then I will highly recommend you this website because I have personally used this website. Now opening this one in the new tab, what is this? Now friends, you can see that the design is highly eye-catching, and you can also see 5-star rating. As you can see 5-star rating, and this is, I think, a good website for KDP business, and I am also running my own KDP business, and I will show you later. And now let's come to the third one, KDP interiors, and 4,659 interiors available right now, in which including planner, journal, diary, comic book. Almost in this website I have found almost all types of interiors like social media manager, agenda, calendar, cooking book, and lots of more stuff. Coupon, as you can see, coupon, and gratitude journal, goal planner, KDP 200 template, ultimate bundle for $25. But don't worry, I will show you how you can get everything with a small monthly fee. And if you go to page number 129, what's there now? Let's see. As you can see friends, in page number 129 you are getting Sudoku with answer 9 by 9, 150, 13, 45, 70, and lots of more stuff in this website. Maze puzzle. So friends, if you are serious about starting your own KDP business and you don't have too much time to building your own interiors and stuff like that, you can use this ready to upload website with a small by small monthly fee, and you can download unlimited. Now friends, I will highly recommend you to must read their terms and condition of license. Friends, if we come down at the last, as you can see, subscription license. When you click here, you will land to this page. Friends, you must need to read their terms and condition of license, including any type of product, as you can see that. And after that, you will be able to use their product for commercial license with tension free. Now friends, let's talk about the main topic of this video, which is how you can get discount on this website. Now let's see. First friend, I want to discuss about pricing of this website. Friends, if you want to get full access to just craft of this website, which are 35,000, you need to pay $12 for 3 months, but I have a special coupon code for you. Don't worry, just continue watching this video. And if you want to get phones, you need to pay $19 per month, but special coupon code again available for you. And if you want to get access to graphic, you need to pay $19 per month, but this price will also be going to low if you will use my special coupon code. Every plan included commercial license, as you can see that commercial license included. Now friends, what plan I am using? Friends, I am using $29 per month plan, but after applying my code, you will get this plan just for 20 point something dollar. Now friends, you can choose any plan according to your budget, but my recommendation is all access, because in this you are getting 45,000 phones, 1.5 million graphic asset, 35,000 cut file, and more. Everything including commercial license post. I am going to click on get started. Now friends, you need to create your profile on this website. Click on register if you don't have any. Now friends, when you're going to paying your price, simply click on here having a coupon code, or maybe you will find here. Click on having a coupon code. Now how you can get coupon code, I will show you. Friends, simply go to google.com and type I am again here.com. After that, you need to type CREATIVE Creative Fabrica subscription. Click on enter. Now friend, as you can see that I am again here. I am again here. You must need to see this because the link I am providing you is so special and you will never find this link on internet on any other place. So if you cannot find this, simply click on CTRL and F and type I am again here. As you can see friend, when you type I am again here, you will find my website. Simply click on all access subscription. Now friends, when you land to this page, simply click on copy the code and must need to click on go to the deal. When you click on go to the deal, friends, you will going to land on this page. Simply choose plan according to your budget, and when you need to pay, simply click on having a coupon code and paste here coupon code and click on apply. Now as you can see that coupon code successfully applied as here, and you are getting $29 per month just for $20, $8.70 discount. Click on proceed to checkout. Now friends, simply make your own profile and enjoy this coupon code. So if you have any doubt about KDP or anything else, simply comment below. I will definitely answer you. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next.